Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, y'all, is a Dollar Tree day. Yes, a Dollar Tree haul. Y'all, a Dollar Tree haul. So, y'all know I've been loving me some Dollar Tree lately, okay? So go ahead and check out my other videos that I have bought to you all. There's some good gems in there, okay? It's some good gems. Yes, yes, and yes. But first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I bring you a video, okay? A good video. All right, so I went to the Dollar Tree today and I found these little items that I was looking at, okay? My Dollar Tree is starting to come and waiting on the fall items, the fall and the Halloween items to come through. My stores still are not good, okay? But that's all right. It's all right. Because when they come, I'll be there, okay? So, let's go ahead and get to what I purchased today, okay? So, the first thing I got was this little microfiber duster mop pad. I really like these. I usually get the Swiffers, and but this is really good for my for the mop, and plus I think you can wash it. I think you can wash it. It doesn't say, but anyway, I'll try to wash it after I get finished or whatever. But I got this. It's from Essentials. All right. The next thing I got was this. I got this for my, when I'm doing my little shows that I have, which I told y'all I have another channel. It's called Chere'er Boutique. When I do my cold processed soap, when I set up, I can actually write on this with some chalk and let them know, hey, I put a saying out here, or put the amount that my soaps are priced for. And then I purchased the easel to let it stand up. Yeah, I press, here go the easel this way. So I purchased the easel too, okay? Got that. Then y'all know about my little handy dandy decor. This right here that actually takes the batteries. And this pretty design, when it cuts on, it gives out a pretty, and I mean a pretty design on the walls and everywhere, okay? So I told y'all I was going to pick these up every time I see it. So I got that. I needed this little brush for the back of my hair so it can lay down real good. I do have a brush, but this one I think it's a little bit better. I think I like a little harder brush. The brush that I have is kind of soft, but I like this for my brush when I do my gel and everything. I am natural, so, and I have a short hair, so this will be good. I got a comb too, so I can use the comb. But that's what I got. The next thing, y'all, I seen these. Now, I was debating on getting this or not, but I heard that they said that these are good. And I am African American. I'm Black. So, my texture of my hair is a little different. And they said this is really good for natural hair. Now, I picked up the Hype It Up Weightless Refreshing Spray. And they said it's hydrates, okay? And then also I picked up the Curls Goes Moisture Locking Leave-In Conditioner, okay? Detangling and softening shape. So I said I'm going to try these tomorrow to see how these go. These all are, everything I got is $1.25, okay? So I'm trying to look for the conditioner. I seen the conditioner. I should have picked it up. Not today. It was on another day. But I just didn't pick it up. And also, I wish I had got the shampoo. So I'm going to try that out. I got this right here for the dusting in the corners. And then I got the refill. Okay, so I got that, which is nice. It gets in the corners. Then, y'all, look at this. This is so pretty. I got this for my coffee, my iced coffee. this, look at the texture on it. It is so pretty. I just got one. I said I was going to get two, but I said, nah, I just need one. But if anybody, DT got it, Dollar Tree got it. It's really cute. Then I got the USB laptop light. So I'm going to try that out, and hopefully that's good. Then the last thing I got, let's move this to the side, is Dry Erase Weekly Planner. I said, oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Look at this. It's a nice size too. So there's on the back, it says Weekly Planner, Monday through Sunday. So hopefully, and it's got notes at the bottom. So hopefully this is nice. If not, then, you know, it is what it is. It was just $1.25. They're going to be dropping everything. But y'all, this right here is all of my items that I purchased. And hopefully everything works out good. I think everything will. But this right here, y'all, is my Dollar Tree haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Shine.